I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to put a Ram 1500 on jack stands. Place the truck on level ground, engage the parking brake, and chock the rear wheels. Use the owner's manual to locate factory jacking points and avoid pinch welds. Loosen lug nuts slightly before lifting. Position a heavy-duty floor jack under the frame, lift until tires clear the ground, and then lower onto rated jack stands. After lowering the vehicle onto jack stands, double-check stability before working underneath. First, ensure each stand makes full contact with the frame or axle seat. Spread the stands evenly and avoid placing them under suspension components not rated for support. Gently rock the truck to test for movement and retighten the parking brake. Keep a spare jack or wheel chocks nearby and never work alone when possible. Wear eye protection and gloves during the procedure. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated during long projects and fits most cup holders. It seals well, has a durable lid, and is easy to carry around the garage. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider grabbing one for your toolbox. Thanks, and enjoy your safe work. Now let's get back to the video. Lift the Ram slowly and monitor jack and stand contact points throughout the lift. Raise until tires clear and insert stands at proper height increments, matching each side. Lower the jack so the truck rests fully on the stands, then remove the jack. When finished, raise with the floor jack, remove stands, and lower carefully. Retorque lug nuts to manufacturer spec and check wheel torque after a short test drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.